Hi Chad, welcome to another stream. How we all doing today? It is Saturday, May 20th, 2023, and we're back for yet another stream. Plan for today is do something different. We're starting a new project. Plan is to port my kenken game, my Android app, to web so that my partner can play it on her phone. Because I don't really want to write it on iOS. And if it's on web, then I can play it on the computer too. I don't have to get out my phone to play it. Because, let me make sure. Yeah. It's like, oh, yeah, I have cards there. But all you can see is my expiration year. Which, nothing important there. Shark Shirt, indeed, indeed. Let me say hi to everyone who's here. First, we have Valdothis, who has resubbed at 30 months. Thank you for the resub. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. Appreciate your continued support. Buy an Android for your partner. I mean, that would also solve this problem, but I've been meaning to change the code anyway and rewrite it and play around with like TypeScript and see what's gonna go there. So I'm gonna try and do that. We're gonna see what's happening. Drunk Time Lord showed up before the stream started, very, very early. Marsha's here. Hello, hello. Marsha was first, indeed. Veldothis is also here. How you doing? DL says, just clicking next a ton of times because Jira makes it hard to mass transition subtasks. Yeah, Jira is Jira. Jira does Jira things. Meat Sauce. Hello, hello. How you doing? What? What's up? Do you want my stress ball? Oh, okay. You're here to be problem. Got it. Understood. We're adding a new subtext type for documentation. I have to move all the old ones. Oh. You can do the mass move if you have a search that, well, never mind. Jira's a pain in the ass. Ask Scrum to do it for you. Definitely something you should bring up during retro. Anthony does game dev? Asks Knackle Eric. I mean, not exactly. It's software and game dev, but. Oh, I guess I didn't change my tags. Well, it's still going to say Python, but yeah. Netflix says, I'm going to guess he's porting his Android puzzle game. Yes, indeed. Ports Pokemon to web. I actually did make a Pokemon web project a very, very long time ago. I started making a map editor, and then I was like, this is too much work, and Nintendo just has to waggle their finger, and then it goes bye-bye. So I stopped working on it, but it was going to be like a 2D, like, basically, think like Fire Red sprites and map, and I had like map editing engine, and I had a text engine, and I don't know, warp panels, and all the stuff you kind of need to build a functioning game. But then I didn't. I'm mother finishing it because it turns out Pokemon's really fucking complicated, like really, really complicated. Like every move is a special case. I imagine the codebase is just like a big fucking giant if statement or giant jump table, but anyway, Shark Shirt, yeah, indeed, Shark Shirt. React Native says Shaz. I'm gonna try and just do as vanilla JS as possible. Actually, I'm gonna try and do TypeScript, and then probably give up on TSC at some point and just JavaScript. But I want to try TypeScript. I haven't written I mean, I've written some TypeScript, but I haven't done a project from scratch, so that's what we're gonna try and do. Edel says, can I get the APK to load it on my Pixel tablet? You can actually build it. I could probably send you a pre-built APK, but you can just build it from this repo. I don't remember how to build it other than I have Android Studio and it lets me build it. But yeah. We're gonna sort of look at the code for this, but I suspect that we're gonna start from scratch because if I remember correctly, the code has some problems. It has a heavy dose of Java, and I think we can be a lot simpler than that. Like the 2012 me had a very different idea of how code should look, probably because school tainted my brain, but that's the way it goes. I don't want your stress balls. Okay, fair. SO Cube, hello, how you doing? Good to see you again. Mass move still requires each subtask to be clicked next. Oh my god. Oh, that sucks. That sounds terrible. Match Sec, hello. Welcome back. Good to see you again. So Cube says, I'm also writing a TypeScript project currently. Nice. Standard Robot's also here. Fuck it, we write. I love how the TTS lady is so happy about that. Detail says, I'll figure it out, then submit a PR to the ReamD with instructions. Or you could probably just set up CI. CI would probably work too. Just produce the APK as a artifact. It's probably easier than the ReamD because the ReamD is like intentionally short. But Shaz is heading out for a bit. Sounds good. Sounds good. Thank you for stopping by. Good to see you. How's it going? Pretty good. Pretty good. Went climbing this morning. I fucked up my hand a little bit. I don't know if you can see the red bit there. Yeah, I punched the wall, and turns out the wall punches back. But it's funny because that's the place that I cut myself the last time I went climbing, on the same path, the same problem, the same hold. But yeah, I've never heard the TTS lady so happy, right? Recursive chat. Hello, hello. How you doing? Alphenrod. Hello, hello again to you as well. Thank you for the resub at 15 months. It's good to see you. I hope you're doing well. And thank you for your continued support. How you doing? iSatisfied's also here. So we doing this in JVM again or Snakelag? No, we're probably gonna doing this in cursed Weblang. Very, very cursed Weblang. What am I holding in my left hand? It is a fidget toy. Not focusing on my face, so you can focus on the fidget toy. It's basically a giant thing of bubble wrap. It's very fun. My mom got it for me for Christmas. Along with this fidget toy that she also got me for Christmas, which is just heavy cubes that you can warble around. Oh my goodness, what are you doing? Okay. Alright. Said hi to Recursive Chat. Standard Robot says, been messing around with different fonts in my terminal. Huh. I just used the boring Ubuntu Mono. Also, I don't know if I said hi to iSatisfied, but how you doing? Good to see you again. I like Atkinson Hyperlegible, but it's not monospace. Oh. Well. Yeah, that seems bad. Exonity, hello, hello, with the whiskey milk. Good to see you again. The Endless River, how you doing? Am I left-handed? I am not left-handed. I'm right-handed. Although I wish I was more ambidextrous. I can bat left-handed baseball, barely, not super well. I bat switch, but rarely left, dominantly right. I can write English text left, but not very well. There was this professor I had in school. He was insanely good at being ambidextrous, and he was a chemistry professor. And so he would write out the structure of the chemicals while writing the equation with his other hand. It was insane. It was some of the coolest shit that I've ever seen. But fuck, what was his name? I want to say it was like Kareka. No, I don't remember what his name was. I don't know, but he was a real. Let's see. I guess I could probably look it up. Let's see. Umish, Chem, 210 professors. What if I put in the year? What would have been 2010? 2009? Not this. Oh my god, this website is terrible. Holy shit. Have you seen text density this high in a long time? This is absurd. What the fuck is going on here? Also, CSS is my passion. This was not... I don't think this is the teacher. Yeah, this is the other professor. It was not them. Let's see, faculty, LS&A. I don't know if they still work there, though. Chemistry. Wait, can I just filter to chemistry? Faculty chemistry. Oh, maybe that's what I was already on. Oh, I remember his name. No, that's the... Sorry, no, that was the CS professor. Shit. What was his name? Fuck. But yeah, he was real cool. Damn. This is gonna bother me. Sorry, let me scroll through these names a little bit. None of these look familiar. Damn. Maybe he doesn't teach it anymore. What is staff? What's the difference between faculty and staff? This seems like a lot more people. Okay, anyway, never mind. Chemistry professor. He was insane. He was crazy good. But iSatisfied says, I missed the intro, so you're doing this as a web app / site or just remake the game? We are doing this as a web app. That's the plan. Posted on GitHub pages. Storing the data in local storage. But trying to port basically all the functionality is the plan. The other server says, I've been writing horrible SQL all day. Kind of felt like your SQLite AOC streams. Oh no. How bad is this gonna be? Yeah, ignore that. Oh shit, this does kind of look like... Wait, which is this Postgres? Because I don't know... This is a CTE, but not the CTEs that I know. This is just Oh. Oh, I see what's going on here. Yeah, so what the non-CTE way to write this is to put the table expressions in line. Interesting, cool. Postgres, nice. Looks like a white paper. Yeah. Does SQL have comments? It does. There are comments depending on the variant. Usually they are --. A CTE is a head injury? No, it's a common. I mean, it is. It basically is a head injury if you have to write one. But yeah. But yeah, I think that query doesn't look terrible. It's a bunch of crazy.sql. It's a bit nested, but it could be worse. Let's see. Did I do any open source since last time? I don't think so. I've been busy. Oh, I did do one thing. Yeah. So for some reason, this teeny tiny project, Pi doc printer, has 2 million lines of YAML. 2 million lines of YAML for some fucking reason. But they were running it through Precommit CI and it was triggering the abuse detection. So I was like, hey, can you not please? I don't know why they didn't merge my PR. They applied exactly the same patch. But this is the patch, and the rest is Precommit CI changing things. But yeah. The linting of the test data was making Precommit CI a little bit angy. But easy fix there. Now I can delete this repo. They've made the delete flow so much worse now. Ready for this? You click delete button, and then it's like yes, I already definitely want to delete this, so I need to click delete again. And then you have to click I have read and understand the effects again. And then you have to copy paste. Oh, wait. Oh, they made... Okay, I can copy paste it here. They made this... I guess it's a label, so it's accessibility. You have to copy paste it. Oh, and then you have to security key. Hello? Wait, it was weird. It said something like it didn't recognize my key. I don't know what that was about. Head to 5 says, when is the Anthonywritescode code merge coming out? I mean... I would like to make some, but that involves having time to do things. Which, why is... Do you guys see this? Like, this window keeps freaking out. Is it just me? Not doing it anymore. Anyway, I thought I saw something freaking out. This is my branch? Oh, this is my branch, but it got merged? Wait, I thought I got this merged. Did I not click the delete button? I probably didn't click the delete button. Yeah, but I would like to make merge, but I need to find time to do it. Basically, I would probably just, I don't know. I probably can't do the Python just because the fucking trademark people are assholes. But I can probably do like the hello hello or you know, good code change like a ghost with the predicament logo. Something like that. Do you like that? I showed Tina good code change like a ghost. She found it quite amusing. Wait, why didn't it delete the repo? Oh. It did. That was weird. Why did it do that? Anyway, yeah, okay, so the plan for the project today is to take the code of this, which there's no way that I'm gonna reuse anything that's actually in here because the code is all over the place. And I definitely don't need a class, an enum class for math signs, probably. Signs by int. Oh, this is for serialization coverage. Anyway, yeah, I'm probably not going to need most of what I have here, so we're probably just going to redesign this from scratch, and do it better this time. I satisfied says I'm the solo dev on my team, so no one will be reviewing my code. Oh no. We crop tops? What? I don't even know what a crop top is. Crop top. Oh. What? I don't. Is that something that? What? I don't know that anyone would. I don't know that the AWC crop tops would work, but drugs. The server says I was meaning to write a tamper monkey script to add a copy button to the header. Oh, that's a good idea. Let me know when you get that working. Giga Shees says, "What's the project?" And the bot. The bot is so good. What the project? even knew the broken English. I says this looks like a good time to use the Spring framework. No. The plan is to host it on GitHub Pages, so they don't have to do anything. I satisfied says I would buy an ADC crop top for your girlfriend. Lord Ira, hello, how you doing? I don't feel like I don't know that an ADC crop top is the play. Kickstarter phrase. Why? Do you want an ADC crop top? What? How do you put buttons on a crop top? Let's see. Crop top with buttons. Oh, they do have crop tops with buttons. A button-down crop top. But all of these seem to be designed for famales. I'm gonna get banned. Okay, anyway. So let's talk about what we need to do here. I need to figure out how to TypeScript first. So we're gonna start with that. Empty initial commit. Let's create the repo on GitHub. New repo. Ignore this yellow thing. Don't worry about it. It's not important. Yeah, that seems fine. No for me. She can borrow it if she wants to, I guess. Designed for tamales? No, not tamales. Famales. Grab his iPad. Hello, how you doing? With the bang oops. Do we oop? Just guess the syntax yellow? Let's see. Getting started with TypeScript. It's gonna be like, open up VS Code, and I'm gonna be like, no. Should we do this with a beer? Do you know the stream meme? If I accidentally click on W3 schools or equivalent site, I have to get an alcoholic beverage. Then I also do it. I know I feel like this page is almost as bad as W3 schools, but it is typescriptlang.org. It's been so long, yeah. Yeah, I haven't gotten tricked in a while. Making high stakes caffeinated beverage? I don't think I even. Is there any caffeine in the house? You have tea. Oh, you have instant coffee. Oh. Kevin stopped tricking? Yeah, well, Kevin transferred. Oh, god damn it. God damn it. Okay, well, this is not intended. But I went to click on S1 Cube's name to mark it in chat, and it scrolled down. Does that count, chat? Does that count? Who owns totallyNotW3schools.com? We're already coding in type JavaScript, which is basically programming jump. Ah. Okay. Oh, you own it? Of course. Okay. Well, Void Rose, hello, hello. How you doing? All right. Well, I'll be right back, chat. I'll see you in a sec. Hello, I'm back. I'm gonna be drinking La Fin du Monde. And Tina has decided that she's gonna have a drink too, so she's gonna have this one. Lindemans Pêche. I don't know. It's French or something. Is it French? I'm be right back. Did you like that? I need to pour beer on your mouse? But why? That doesn't sound like a good thing. Alright, this one's for Tina. Here you go. It's good. Ram, hello, welcome. I am back. How you doing? You found my YouTube channel, nice. Have I tried? I don't know what that word is, meat sauce. I have not. Probably not. Sonic Castro also has said that word. What is the word? I don't know what that word is. Is it Belgian? Oh, yeah, yeah. Is that the one with the foil top? I think I've had that one. There's one, like, popular one. Let me look it up. Let me look it up. But Bram and Spicy Spaghetti Feet and Sonic Castra, thank you all for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Shoof. Shoof beer. Images. Oh, you can't see my screen. Well, that's probably better. Actually, I don't think I've had this one. No, I haven't had this one, but maybe I should try it. Bram says 2 things I love: coding and beer. The Gnomes one, yes, the Gnomes one. A dessert beer without dinner. We had breakfast a while ago. That counts, right? It's the mouse's fault you got W schooled. It's true. It's true. Okay, Mr. Singh, thank you for the resub. Does the code test you? Yeah, that's a good question. Thank you for the resub at 19 months. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well, and thank you for your continued support. Drunk Time Lord's also here, going for Europe visa application. Oh, didn't get it last year. Well, hopefully you get it this year. Is it a lottery or is it? How does it work? Is it H1B or which one are you going for? Okay, anyway, TypeScript. Let's get TypeScript for TypeScript for which programmer? Do I know more JavaScript or Java? TypeScript tooling in 5 minutes? Installing TypeScript. Yeah, why is this all Visual Studio? I don't want VS Code. This is probably what I want. I probably don't care about this because I do know everything about type systems and inference and annotating and blah blah blah. Fuck that. All right, we're gonna do this. Via npm. Okay, npm I TypeScript. What could go wrong? Half lottery? Oh, business visa for EuroPython. Oh, wait, you're just getting a visa for a conference? Oh, does your passport not cover that? Added 1 package and audited 2, but why? Okay, blah blah blah. New file. Greeter.ts. Wow, look, we have syntax highlighting already. Oops. No linters available, yeah. Okay. And then TSC greeter, but we don't have TSC. We have node modules bin TSC, right? How do I want to do this? No, that's probably fine. TSC, greeter.ts. Why does it not Azure? What did it do? Oh. It made greeter.javascript. Wow. It looks the same. Oh. It's built for web, so okay. Cool. And then we can add types. String. Shouldn't be string. How do you say the return value? Does it inference the return value? How do I make TypeScript more strict? TypeScript settings. tsconfig.json or jsconfig.json. What is jsconfig? Okay. That helps me understand a little bit what's going on. Third world country things? Oh, where? Just force the bookings and apply to a different embassy? I don't know that that's a good idea. Dudeman says not JavaScript nodders. Yeah, return values are inferred. NPX tsconfig. I don't think I. Oh, I do have NPX. What could go wrong? Oh, because literally there's a package called tsconfig.json. Which technology are you using? Why can I not say none of the above? Why can I not say none of the above? I don't want to use React. I want to just vanilla TSC. Is that a thing? I'm gonna say Node, but we're gonna add document later, I guess. Oh boy. Wait, it has libdom. So. Oh boy, why is this so complicated? tsconfig for web. Not for Webpack. We're gonna generate the React one, see what it does. I should have, let's see. Try this again. Her work. Hello, how you doing? Why does everyone say Node? Why Node? Is that the one we want? Oh boy, it's very different. So React did ES next. Allow JS true. No implicit returns is true. Oh, it's just the same, but down here. Alright, fuck it, we'll use Node. You guys told me the right thing. We'll just use Node. React.json. No input files were found. Parameter person implicitly has an any. Fuck yeah, let's go. You are now string, but lowercase string. Hey, let's go. Prisma, hello, how you doing? Welcome. Mylar, how you doing? Welcome to the stream. I believe vanilla TS is Node. Interesting. Nude.js, yeah. John MV1, hello, how you doing? Allow.js is cringe. Okay. What did we end up with? Did we end up with allow.js? No. Allow synthetic default imports. Don't know what that means. Resolve JSON module. These all sound pretty good. Where's the other implicit stuff? Like, no implicit return felt decent, but maybe that's good. I don't know. Allow.js is a React thing? Okay. Easy Light. Hello. How you doing? Welcome. Cool that you can have TSC type check JavaScript. Yes, indeed. Okay. We have greeter.js. Let's see if we can run it. Doc type, HTML, and title. Here, we'll be a true front-end developer and do tab size 2. Oops. Why is that so funny? Why is it so funny? Oh, you are Satan incarnate with tab size 3? What are you doing? You need to leave the house. How does it know what the main entry point is to typescript all the things together? Velocity synthetic imports allows you to import React from React instead of import star as React from React. Oh, interesting. Woosa! Hello, how you doing? At least I can be helpful with non-Python stuff, even though I've only done Python for the last... Wow. I've been drinking. That sentence got away from me there. In ES modules, export default becomes the default. I'm gonna pretend like I didn't hear whatever you just told me and not assume that everything is terrible in this godforsaken language. What code did we actually what code did we actually run? Why does it say hello Jane user? Oh, document.body.text content equals greeter user. All right, it did what we intended. All right, we have built the thing. Okay, the game's done now. We can play kenken. the site's done. Okay. Yeah. Okay, we've typescripted now. Okay, so how do I make a main file? Include source **.ts. Is it going to bundle things? TSC with bundler. Oh god. What the fuck do I want then? Is CSS going to be your passion? Yeah, we'll get to the CSS. We'll get to the CSS very soon. Import React from React. They took the stupid SQL approach impossible to autocomplete. That's what I really like about link expressions, LINQ, from C#, is they were like, yeah, SQL fucking sucks for tab complete, so we're gonna do it backwards. Unlimited Bytes says no. TypeScript will only translate your TS files to JS. Builds one file from one file. You probably want ES build. What if I use something cool like bun? Is that cool now? Bun TypeScript. Is that a thing I can do? Is that a thing? Is that how can I use this? Is this a thing? I hear that it has a bundler now. I hear it is the new hotness. Monster says, can't you use Vite or Suth? I don't know what either of those things are. I think STH is the shortcut for something. Board on Clue, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. That is the old new hotness? But how do I surely Bun has a bundler, right? What am I trying to build? I'm trying to build a web app. A web app. Yeah. Is it framework or vanilla? I'm trying to do vanilla until I hate my life and then maybe do something else. Did someone say bun? Someone did say bun. Why are we laughing with the problematic emotes? What are we laughing at, Flotster? It's not gonna be that complicated. I already wrote it in Java and in C#. Surely writing in JavaScript won't be that hard. Honey bits for bun reveal? I don't. You mean like my ass? I don't have a bunny. Ingerwin Saavedra. Hello, welcome, welcome. Probably said your name wrong, but welcome to the stream. From Chile. Welcome, welcome. Alright, so ES build, is that what we're doing? Rewriting it in the language won't be hard? Well, yeah. I'm gonna probably play with it. Ingewin Salvedra, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Sorry I mispronounced your name. Alright, am I using ESBuild? Holy shit, this graph. Look at this graph. Getting to the point of actually being able to write it is stupidly long. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, is this the hotness? Is this what I should be using? Not bun, even though bun feels like thing that I could use. Well, the graph is legit. Webpack is fucking slow. Yeah, we use it for work, and we have to run it on these beefy machines for something. I could use Vite. What is this? The next generation front-end tooling. I already don't want to use it. I already don't want to use it. You could use Maven, but I doubt it'd work. It's Franch for quick. Oh, it's Vite. It's not Vite. What if we wanted to yeet Vite and it's lightning fast instead of blazingly fast? Moo time says Webpack. We can use Firebase's FKit framework. This doesn't sound. Yeah, I feel like chat's just it's just trolling me at this point. Skyward Dev says Bun's website is better looking in case that matters. Ooh, it's true. Kenya, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. The Germanaz says use either they're all hot. Damn, have you seen that JavaScript framework? It's so hot. Vite uses ESBuild, so it's insane fast, but it's based on a very simple config instead of ESBuild, which is a module. I feel like I could cut out the middleman and just use ESBuild. Strange Sorcerer! Hello, yeah, we are doing Vite, yeah. I'm sorry. I've let down the Franch. I feel like we shouldn't use this because it's Franch. Okay, no, that's just me. Brinkley says, damn, what's happening? I see Windows and Ubuntu Windows controls. Oops, all Windows. FKIT is pronounced fuck it. It's a meme framework. Oh, okay. We are not here to help at all. Yeah, that's the best part of this stream. Tommy says vanilla JS, but add your types as comments. Ah, so what was that thing called? Flow.js? Man. I'm so glad Flow lost because that shit sucked. Where'd my VM go? There we go. It's important that you use the most blazingly fast one. Okay, which one's written in Rust, chat? Is ESBuild written in Rust? Where's the GitHub? No, it's written in Go. Gross. Alright, is there one of them written in Rust? That daddy script framework, I mean mommy script, I mean Cut out the happiness and use PHP? Ooh. PHP's not bad. I wouldn't be here if it weren't for PHP. Plain HTML plus CSS, no JavaScript. I mean, CSS is Turing complete, so I probably could build this entirely in CSS. Do I want to? Absolutely not. I'm a meanie to the Franch. Fuck it, we write framework? No, I'm not gonna write a framework. JS doc? Yeah. Flow cringe? Yeah. So there used to be this thing called Google Closure Compiler. I hope it's no longer a thing, but why does the date look somewhat recent? Oh my god, it still exists. Wow. Anyway, this was my first experience with typed JavaScript, and it was actually pretty good, except for taking a year and a half to compile. But Svelte just shifted their entire repo to Flow from TypeScript because TypeScript is slow. I feel like they have made a mistake. Dino is written in Roost? TurboPack is Roost? Bun is Zig. It's basically Roost. Yeah, it's true. PHP saved my life. It's true. PHP did save my life. I would not be here if it weren't for PHP. So GG on PHP. SWC is written in Roost? I was not being completely serious about Roost. Grim is here. How you doing, Grim? Good to see you again. For those of you that don't know, Grim has written this cool app called Pigeon. This boy right here. Or well, I guess written. You maintain it. Did you? I don't think you did. I don't know that you're original author, but you are certainly the Pigeon Man's now, and streams, which is cool. It's still a thing. They just wrote Google Chat in it. Oh my god. I'm so sorry. I mean, it was fun. Oh, they open sourced it. It was not open source back when I commit yesterday with the build failing because their supply chain security is broken because because the OSSF has decided to delete all of their tags. Good job, OSSF. I met someone from the OSSF the other day. I can't tell you anything about what they said though, because technically it is behind NDA. But it was an interesting conversation. Turbo build. This is Roost and offers the most amounts of blazing it. I'm not the original, but I've been working on it for 20 years now. Yeah, you might as well be the original at this point, though. Clearly Google gives a shit about supply chain security. Yeah. Yeah. What's OSSF? It is the Open Security Software Foundation? No. It was close. But look at their fucking logo. Why does it say honk? Clearly they take themselves seriously. But anyway. Hey now. Okay, anyway. Alright, we're gonna use ES build as much as I don't care about this. So, how do I get started with this thing? NBM is all save exact. That's a new thing. I haven't seen this before. What is this shit? Oh, because it thinks I'm on Windows. Hooray! Why is it 0 version? I have concern already. I don't want React. How do I build for the browser? Here we go. Is there not a config file for this thing? Is this gonna work if I do this? Chrome 58? These seem really fucking old. Weller Son, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. You know, you own mage.im. That's kind of cool. Open equals NDA checks out. Yeah. The original creator only worked on it for a few months. Finally met him last year. Nice. We should just scrap what we have and build a new framework called the Ken framework. Config file is the code. So wait, ES build that build. I've used Parcel before. Parcel clutch. I learned that this dot slash doesn't do anything. Could not resolve source main.ts. Okay. The fuck? Why does it not write it to a file? If we're gonna develop a framework to work on Canada, to be called a Barbie framework. Oh no. Why do I hate this thing already? Why do I hate this already? Why is this not the way? Why do I feel like this is not the way? How do I make it output to a place where I want it without pipe? Oh, they have outfile here, but they don't have outfile here. Wait, you can use Go? But why? Go to the API section of the docs? Is this what I'm supposed to do? Yeah, this seems more like what I want to do. npm run no node build. But for why? I have to do like the experimental modules bullshit. Experimental modules. Cannot use import statement outside a module. Are you fucking kidding me? Type module to package.json. Is this language a joke? Is this tooling ecosystem a joke? Why were things so much better when we could just use jQuery? This should be default already. It's a meme language. Yeah, life is a joke. True. Yeah. Node by default still using CommonJS as a joke, but backwards compatibility. It worked? Did it though? Like I said, actually getting to the point of being able to write it is stupidly long. Yeah, the question now is how do import statements work? Because that is the next part of this, right? Does this TS config do anything anymore? Like, what if I fuck this up? Does the build fail? Why does it not? Why does it not? Why does it not fail? I think we can still write it in jQuery. It's true. It's true. It's me, Lee. Hello, how you doing? But I want to write TypeScript. Why are you laughing at me? I mean, I could TypeScript with jQuery. That wouldn't obviate all the problems here. ESBuild doesn't run TSC? Well, what the fuck? How do I make it fail? Skyward Dev says, do you alias Nano to be Babby? Yes, I do, because unfortunately my muscle memory has not fixed itself. And it's been years. Run TSC, then build the JS output. Oh my god. Fucking kill me. How does anyone do this? Heyo! Welcome to the stream. Do you recommend Python or Node for building backends? I have stopped recommending anything because they're all bad, but I tend to write Python for backends. How do people do this? How do I get a TypeScript typescripted, but built into a bundle? What am I building? I'm trying to build. I'm eventually building a game, but I want to get the build system out of the way so I don't have to think about that anymore. And clearly the build script is not doing what I want because it's just like, haha, no type checking for you. Nobody does this. Nobody writes vanilla.js, so one framework guy does this once. I'm basically a framework guy. Fucking kill me. Dumpster Dev, hello, hello. How you doing? Welcome, welcome. This should not be that hard. This should not be that hard. Go to API, general options. Okay, thank you. Unlimited bytes. tsconfig, here we go. Okay. Normally the build API automatically discovers tsconfig and reads their contents during a build. Well, that seems like a fucking lie. Seems like a fucking lie. That seems like a big fucking lie. Is it because it decided it was cached? This is not... This seems like a big fucking lie. Did I forbid any? Yeah, that's what my tsconfig does. So like if I do tsc, if I do this, tsc is gonna be like, wait a minute. Yeah, no implicit any. Why is it no longer mad? Why is it no longer mad? It was mad before. It was mad before. Like when it was here, it was mad. What? I want it to be mad, yeah. Cause I haven't typed this properly. What have I done? How have I fucked this? It worked. Yeah, this should be mad. Right? What have I done? How have I fucked this? Because source? What? That makes no fucking sense. What? God, and people use this language every day. I'm so sorry for them. How do I undo this now? So surely if I make dir source and I move greeter into source and then I TSC again. Okay, good. And now if I ESBuild. Wait. TSC should be failing. Good. And now if we ESBuild. But why? Why does it not? TypeScripts. The Tap Man, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. If I make Ken Squared work with Java 17 modern Android, do you want a PR? Just screw it. I tried to do this a while ago and it broke all the layout, so you're gonna spend like way too many times on it, and then I don't even know if it's going to work. I wouldn't bother. More people don't use ESBuild directly, but tooling based on it, so that makes it more fun. I don't know if ESBuild is reading your TS source or your JS source, and even if it can read TypeScript, it doesn't type check it. It ignores types. Okay, so you're telling me that I TypeScript check separately from my my bundler. My bundler cannot take advantage of types. What the fuck is the point of types then? This is so dumb. Is there a bundler that actually reads types? We're building our front end with plain JavaScript and jQuery and wanted to be a little bit more modern with imports and maybe TypeScript. But you cannot find good resources how you would do this. I don't know how people are using this language every day. TSC reads types, yeah, but it doesn't do the bundling. So do I like TSC from source to source 2 and then from source to ESBuild? TypeScript is kind of fucked up. It doesn't have a public spec. Wait, it doesn't have a public spec? Oh my god. We're an hour in and I haven't even built anything yet. Source to dist? But we need source 2, because dist should be our output, right? Or do we just put like main.js in the root dir? This is so stupid. We can TSC only in check mode. TypeScript integrating with build tools. There we go. Also, Clutch has got some useful shit. Well, I don't want to use Babel. Or Browserify, or Grunt, or Gulp. Or MSBuild, or... Or Vite. I don't want to use Webcat. Okay, well, we've exhausted all the choices there. Yeah, we looked at Vite, but it doesn't, No, you're good, Wassel Clutch. I appreciate the link. No, it was helpful. It was still helpful. It was still helpful. You're not, no problem here. Dist 2, yep. No, that's seriously like, that seems like the most reasonable thing to do is take the TypeScript compiler, convert the TypeScript into JavaScript, and then run a bundler over the TypeScript output and turn it into your final bundle. It's fucking insane. You do this every day? So you have a framework guy. You got a guy with the hookup. He's like, here you go. Just like, here's your TypeScript. He flashed you with his TypeScript build system. Small out of beer. Do you not want yours? You need it, okay. Do you remember when I filled this up, chat? Tina's too drunk. And now me. You're a cheap date. Okay, that was maybe too rude. Yeah, fuel efficient is the nicer way to put this. Our next project is our bundler with type checking. It's amazing that this doesn't exist. It's amazing. Run TSC with no emit and then bundle if it passes, says Dark Polearm. Yeah, that's probably what we're gonna do. Veet would make what he wants and use ESBuild on Hill, but he dislikes their lightning fast. No, it's not that I dislike their lightning fast. They don't type check. That's literally what the link we just looked at. Veet only performs transpilation and not type checking. So it doesn't solve the problem that I want. I want to write in a language that yells at me if I fuck shit up and also produce a bundled output. I feel like this is not much to ask. JavaScript is probably what led me to drinking. You know, now that I think about it, was around that time. We create this new project in a different language. Time to go to JVM. Okay, fine. We're gonna use ESBuild, and we're gonna run TSC, and we're gonna write a shell script to do the whole thing. Because, kill me. npx tsc node build.mjs. So dumb. Use Flutter, yeah. Wait, can Flutter output to web apps? Hold the phone. Can it? I feel like it can't. Flutter on the web. Oh no. Flutter is ideal for building web applications. That seems fake. That seems fake. Flutter doesn't do web apps at all. It does Canvas. Yeah. Please don't. No, yeah, I'm not. I just think it's very funny that that someone would go on the internet and tell lies. Oh my god. What the fuck is this? What is this fucked up bird? A progressive web app with a fucked up bird. Okay, we're not doing that. An angry burb? Yeah, it did look like an angry burb. It says it must be true. Yeah. Okay. This is our life now. Bash t.sh. Hooray! It errors, and then we go and fix it. And hooray! It builds. Then we refresh our web page, and hooray! Wait, did we? Yeah. Okay, it works. Great. Dumpster Dev says Veet allows you to set up TypeScript. I know it does. However, it only performs transpilation and not type checking. So it does not satisfy my use case. I'm gonna use here. I'm gonna use this thing. Here we go, chat. I don't use my MOTD command very often, but there we go. No, you're fine. You're fine. You're fine. We're just memeing on JavaScript. It's all good. Pdip per one, Jean. No, I totally said that wrong. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Wanted to do the same? Well, you saved your points then. I love that most front-end devs have zero idea how their tools work. Yeah, I was the tools person at Yelp for a while, including the front-end parts. Okay. All right, so let's see what shit we have in here that we don't need anymore. We definitely don't need WAT. I don't know what that was. We can get rid of greeter. Okay. Now we can actually get into the interesting parts, right? Oh, we need to figure out how imports work. Let's figure out how imports work, because I don't actually know. You know, I thought this was going to be a one-shot stream, but it's starting to look like we're not going to get this done today. So what if I do import greeter from greet.ts? But probably need to export. Can't find greet.ts / greet.ts. Oh boy. Model has no default export. Do you mean to use import? Curly brace. Import path can only end with TS extension with allow importing TS. Okay, do we change it to JS? Okay. Mango Crisis, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Wait, I feel like we didn't do the no export thing. Just remove the extension from greet. We yeet the greet with Veet. We're not using Veet. There was no emit. Why do you think this is so funny? Probably because it is. No emit. You can't help me. Because your build system is who knows fucking what. True. Do we have JavaScript files in here? Do we have JavaScript files in here? Oh boy, we have JavaScript files in there. Are you still gonna be mad? This doesn't look minified. Wasn't this supposed to be minified? Isn't that the whole point of ES build? Why does this not look minified? Bundle true. Bundlers don't necessarily minify? What the fuck? What is their point? Why? Ah! Minified true? Probably? Yeah. Probably. Where was the thing where it had the browser thing? And we'll just take the browser thing again. Chrome. This. Really, this will do the right thing, right? Ah, praise the sun. Okay, finally. Boy. God damn. Penalties combine 100 JavaScript files to one JS file. Yeah. But this is insanity. Why do you want it minified? Because eventually I'm going to serve it as a website. I mean, I don't super care about web performance. There's a package called Uglify.js. Oh, I remember Uglify. I remember it all too well. It was very literal, and it did work, for the most part. I once wrote a really janky minifier that just removed whitespace. And semicolons where it thought it was safe to remove semicolons. However, it is not always safe to remove semicolons. Although the heuristic that I used was pretty good. It was like semicolon to curly brace, curly brace. You could remove the semicolon. Otherwise, you can just remove the whitespace. How many messaging frameworks does Apache own? So that's the thing about the Apache, quote unquote, the Apache project. Is none of this shit is associated with each other. It is just a bunch of random shit that someone at the Apache Software Foundation was like, yeah, this looks good. Almost all of the projects are independently maintained and not maintained at all. Sorry, poorly maintained. Have you seen? All right, chat. Are you ready for this? I don't know if you're ready for this. I was not ready for this. This fucked me up in a way that I don't know that I will ever recover. They use pre-commit. Yeah, John Envy1 says Airflow has pre-commit. Looks great. But wait, there's more. Are you ready? Are you ready? I don't know if you're ready for this, chat. I don't know if you're ready for this. I was not ready for this file. You open up their pre-commit config file. What the fuck are they doing? Why is it 1,000 lines long? What are they doing? What is going on here? Where have they gone astray? What has happened? Who let them do this? At some point, pre-commit should... At some point, pre-commit should just be like, nope, you got too many hooks. Your users will hate you. Don't do this. However, Airflow said 0 to many, and they chose many. Drunk Time Lord, thank you for the resub at 26 months. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. And I appreciate your continued support. Yeah, WTF indeed. Yeah. That is, Yep. Also, Clutch says, I feel like a lot of what Airflow does can be done better with other options. You and me both. I had to maintain the disaster of the Airflow infra at Stripe, and I don't ever want to touch this shit again. I was gonna say I don't care how much money someone pays me to maintain Airflow, but I thought about it, and there's probably a price point where I would do it again. But it would have to be a lot of digits. At least a digit more than my current digits. DMZDA says bang Pokemon. Yeah, there's a software setting going on there. I'm trying to get shiny Pokemon. I love shiny Pokemon. Do I love shiny Pokemon? I really like shiny Pokemon. We'll put it that way. How long does a commit take? I'm pretty sure they have a wrapper around pre-commit that they install instead, because they've told me about their like wacko fork, and I don't really want to look into it. And people have reported bugs where they're like, Airflow, blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, yeah, talk to them. They're doing something that I do not recommend in any way, shape, or form. But, yeah. And they're like, it's funny because they've asked so many times for like, I would like a mode where it doesn't print out all of the hooks that are being run. And I'm like, you have created a problem for yourself that I am not going to solve for you. But anyway, John One says, the first time I saw this by browsing random repos, I myself for 10 to 30 minutes thinking why and who. Yeah. The German AZ says, whose mans is this? this man's or Airflow's mans? Is this a memeing I don't understand? Am I not hip with the kids anymore? You laugh because it's definitely, yeah, I'm definitely not. The Zoomers on are a completely different internet level. Not well, Zoomers. We've got the alphas. Yeah. Not to be confused with the alpha males. Do you think there's alphas? Like alphas that suck up to Andrew Tate despite him being in prison? I feel like what? We haven't said anything that would get me banned. Furdroid, welcome. How you doing? Welcome to the stream. What's Airflow? It's like a job scheduling, data processing graph execution engine. Something like that. Apache is like Eclipse where they just swallow open source projects and maintain them without the need of them being connected by the overall foundation. Does Eclipse do that? I feel like Apache is kind of like the Linux Foundation, or the whatever the fuck Kubernetes is under. Is that the Linux Foundation? They do the same shit. But the Sigmas, oh, we've transcended alpha. We're on to Sigma moles now. What? There's always been Sigma moles. Yeah, but is that not the Sigma trying to be the alpha? What about the betas? Isn't beta like the sweet spot? You get the subby males, the subby cuddly males. I don't know. Okay. All right, anyway. They're all the same. Linux, Apache, MySQL, and PHP. Ah, yes, we all love LAMP. The German AC says, whose pregment file is this? You're cool. Oh, this is Airflow's. This is Airflow's disaster. Isn't beta the sweet spot? True femboy Anthon quotes. Fuck. Oh, you could go back and do it, except I don't post VODs. It's true. You could public my VOD, and or you could clip it as me. Okay. All right. So let's plan out how this is actually going to work. Okay. Plan.markdown. Plan. Save the file. Exit. We're done. Okay. Anyway. Okay. So there's kind of two parts to the game. Three parts to the game. One, there is statistics. This is game size and difficulty. Do a bunch of data. Do I have the data here? Probably. Statistics manager. Ah, yes. We're really to do. Implement dirty cache methodology. That's never happening. No, the idea makes sense. It's like, right now, the statistics saves every time anything happens. But the idea is that only the statistics should only save if it changes. Only if it's dirty. A dirty little statistic. Anyway. What? Okay. Drunk time is gonna go write code. Sounds good. Sounds good. Load statistics. Ah, yes. Any exception, clear the statistics. Sounds good. Drunk time says, I thought AST literal val worked on arithmetic operations, but apparently not. Can I do it any other way? Yes. You have to write your own. You have to write your own node transformer. Is that what it's called? AST. There's a node trans something. It's instead of node visitor, it's node. I think it's node transformer. But yeah, you could node transform into AST that doesn't contain arithmetic operations, then unparse that, then literal eval. Make a micro package, yeah. Madflash says, is this your Time magazine game? I think it's New York Times. But yes, it is this game. Run. Oh, I'm super behind on water. It is this game where I should probably not do 5x5 because 5x5 is not good for the maths. Let's do 6x6. It is this game where there is a number and multiplication or division or plus or minus in a column, and you inference the numbers by mathematics, and this is a hard one. Why have I picked a hard one? But 2, 4, 6 probably, maybe, I don't know. Yeah, that looks fine. But yeah, you inference the numbers, and then that is how you solve this. 6 plus, so it has to be 5. 6, 6, 2, 4. But yes, it is game of math and logic and thinking and and codes. It's been so long. Welcome back. Good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. Jovis, welcome to the stream. Hello. Yeah, we're gonna. The in theory is to port this to TypeScript and then in the browser. But we have spent an hour and a half dealing with sadness. Wolfred's also here. How you doing, Wolfred? Wilfred, you have missed a mess of a stream so far. Welcome, welcome. How you doing? Owen Code says, I'm good, bro. Moving into a new place. Oh, nice. If you don't mind me asking, what general part of the country are you, or country or world, or could be anywhere. Where are you moving? You don't have to answer that. I am not asking for your actual positions. Yeah, give me your lat log and your address and your social security number. No, I'm not actually asking for that. What did I miss? Me hating JavaScript for an hour and a half. Only an hour and a half. Well, an hour and 25 minutes. Unlimited Byte says, this would have been such a good project to use good web dev stuff. You mean this app? That's what we're trying to do. This is what we're building. Oh god. Why has it crashed? Hello? Excuse me? Oh, right. The I don't know why they configured the phone emulator to have sleep mode happen in like 30 seconds. But it's wild. Mad Flash, hello. How you doing? Fun game ended? No, the Pokemon's still going. But yeah, anyway. It's rented a place for 1.1k per month in the suburbs just outside a village outside the main city in Southern Ireland. Southern Ireland somewhere. Nice. That's cool. That's cool. Oh, the Kotlin fun game ended. Oh. Yep. The fun has ended. No more fun here. But yeah, this is this function makes no sense. That is one of the reasons why we're rerunning it, but yeah. A package already exists called AST-eval. And it does what you want. Nice! It's always good when something else exists. I find, for whatever reason, whenever I try and do things, it is, oh, that seems worse. That seems spooky. That seems not good. That seems less than useful. Okay. That's beyond this is beyond what I expect something to be able to do, but that's fine. If that's what you want, then go for it. Okay, so we have statistics, we have board generation, and then we have gameplay. Those are the three things that we have to basically build. This is actually fairly easy because I wrote my own algorithm to do it. This is fairly easy. We're going to use local storage. Local storage. And this is tricky because we have to do CSS and other things. I have to remember how to do touch events because I used to know how to do this before there were frameworks to do it, but now there are frameworks, and now I have to re-remember. I feel like it's just mouse down and mouse up, but you map it to touch down and touch up and call that good enough. But that's the plan. I need to fill up my water though, so I'm gonna do that real quick, and I will be right back. Hey chat, I'm back. Sorry, it took a bit. I went to the restroom as well. Jangtron is here. How you doing? Welcome, welcome. Oh, the music has stopped. Well, it says, "Dang, that water must be coming directly from Mount Everest." Yeah, I had to distill it and boil it, and it's good. It's good. Mocha Tech plays. Oh, I startled you. I'm sorry. He's bundling the water manually. Yeah. Uncut says, "A full-on bedroom, shower room separate from my kitchen, over with the living room." Nice. That sounds good. Sounds good. Tina's laugh. Yeah. Tina. They can hear you laughing. Okay, we're gonna try and do the layout stuff. That's what we're gonna start with. So we are basically going to have, if we look at this, hello. We basically have. Oh, we have a menu button at the top. Okay, so we're gonna have the top. I don't like that. Oh, we have the timer also. Okay, we're gonna have the top buttons, the bottom buttons, the timer, the grid, and menu button. This is a project I wrote in college. Technically, yes. The first version of this was written in 2011? 2012? 2012. Yeah, 2012. 2012. Yeah. Yeah. Mocha Tech Play says Tina and then angry face, angry animated face. I can't do that. Okay, so the question is, where do I put the menu button? So in the actual game, the menu button is in the top right, but that's really inconvenient on a phone. Farag, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you don't stop this stupid thing. Grim says, "I didn't realize how much I was so much older than you." Yeah, I graduated in 2013. Yeah, I was born in 91. Minecraft shirt, Anthony wrote this. You're talking about me.jpg, I believe. Oh, is it me.jpg? Did I put it in an image folder? Where the fuck is me.jpg? This image. Oh, it's images/me.jpg. Technically, wait, did this version of me write this? No, it would have been a year after this, after I started CS. So yes, similar to this me.jpg wrote this. Oh, you're imitating the scream. Got it. Makes sense. Write me out package for fun. Sounds good. Grim says, 9 years older. Thought it was like 5 or less. Oh, oops. And in it, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Okay, so we got a bunch of stuff here. Come, why does it do this? Who decided the emulator would go to sleep? You're 9 years old. I hope that so Twitch has this thing where they scan for text that looks like this, but with numbers that are less than 13. So I hope you don't get banned for that typo there. But and then it says resetting Pokemon is mandatory while coding. Well, it's actually doing it itself, so that's cool. Wolfred has gifted a sub to Grim. Oh, there's already a free button for you. There's your button, Wolfred. Timing is hard, yeah. Just go into the phone settings to change it? Oh. Yeah. Home? Oh my god. Settings? Do not disturb is on. Display. Sleep. Why is there not a never? Or that'll be good enough. Oh god. Here we go. Grin has been following for 4 years! It's true. Feel like there was a command to get my account age? There is not, but I can just tell you. You created your account June 15th of 2013, so it's about a month after I graduated college. Is the Switch emulated modded? No. If you run the command, you can check out the videos which talk about that. Okay, so where the fuck do I put this menu button? I kind of want to put it down here, but I also feel like it will get misclicked. So maybe I will just, maybe we'll just, ooh, what is the semantic HTML for this? Header element. Yeah, header element, sure. Header, kenken, and then, a menu element. Whoa, what does this do? What the fuck? What have I done? What does Control T do here? What is this thing? Why does it look so cool? Rebels Coder! Hello, hello, how you doing? Welcome, welcome. Let's see. Hamburger menu Unicode. Really? There's a trigam for heaven. Ah. Hooray. But technically, if we're doing good, design here. Hooray, there's the header. Alright, then we have, oh, we can hide this in hard mode, which we don't actually do in the app because I didn't want to figure out how to do layout on Android. What about the numbers module? I used it for types. In Python? Doesn't this just contain abstract? Oh god, I almost had to get another beer. Why is the SEO of Python so fucking terrible? Ah, yes, these ABC classes. Yep, I remember. I know the answer to why their SEO is terrible is because they don't fucking care. Dalk House, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Wilfred's here for the taco meat. It's true. Okay. Then we have the mark. And then we have probably shouldn't be using divs for all of these, but whatever. There's a Unicode subtraction. Or should I just use M dash? What the fuck? Unicode minus sign. Yeah, that sounds, no, stop it. Oh, but we gotta do the thing where we meta carousel UTF-8, otherwise it defaults to Latin 1 for dumb reasons. Are metas self-closing? HTML.com, yeah, that looks like a legit thing. Holy shit. Yeah, self-closing, cool, sick. Listen, Ingram was trying to fix the SEO, but it's a hot mess. I'm following an open issue. It's not making progress. Probably shouldn't be using divs. My dude, front-end devs exclusively only use divs. You're so out of touch. Yeah, but semantic HTML. This will be an empty div. We'll populate it with script. Then we have board, which will also populate with script. We have, is the timer next? Yeah. Also populate that with script. And then we have What do I want to call these numbers? Semantic HTML, is that a framework? Yeah. Who's dealing? Okay, so someone who's played like fucking Sudoku, when you lock in a number, that's called something, and when you mark it possibilities, that's also something. What do I word these? Maybe I'll call this possible and call this mark. Oh hi. And we'll figure this out with JavaScript and then load the script at the end. I never had a name for those actions. Damn. Enter and mark? Like mark for the thing and then enter? Candidates? That's what the code calls it. Yeah. Maybe candidates? And then mark? Oh, hi. Candidate sounds good. But candidate is an annoying word, so we're gonna call it canned. I had a game the other day where you hack stuff in JavaScript. It's called Bitburner. Oh. Interesting. Alright, we'll call it canned and mark. Alright. Is this just the main model? Do I just write code at the model scope? Annoying. This probably doesn't need a class. Oh, I mean, maybe it does, because it needs to make the tables, I guess. We can use const because we're cool kids, right? Look at me knowing modern JavaScript. Can equals document dot query select query selector canned. We need the menu. Oh, we should probably actually make the menu components. We'll ignore the menu for now. Board. My arithmetic node transformer worked first try. Damn, nice. Wilfred says, I have no idea what any of this means. I'm half asleep. Yeah, well, we're playing this game. And when it is not in hard mode, you can mark whether these are particular numbers or not, and they show up gray. But when you select a number, this has to be 235. So when you select a number, it fills it in, like so. Yeah. This has to be 5, 6. This has to be 235. Anyway, yeah, these are marked, and these are this is selected in, so to speak. And you can mark all or unmark all to do that. I rarely use the plus and minus buttons. I might just remove them. Well, actually, I don't play in normal mode, so I would probably just remove them anyway. But like, you could do this, although that's more clicks than just doing this. But yeah, that's how the game works. Like this has to be 5, 6, for instance. This could be 2, 3, 4, 6. 4, 6. 2, 3, 4, 6. But then this can't be 2, 3, so then this can't be 4, 6. And this has to be 4, 5, 6 somehow. Anyway, yeah, that's how the game works. You could take some inspiration from the Sudoku Pad app. Oh boy. Oh god. That website's overwhelming. I heard the entire package in Babby. It's actually pretty ergonomic. Yeah, Babby's pretty nice. I'm obviously a little bit biased, but I think Babby's pretty nice. It gets the job done. This has to be 145. Did you see my screen blink or did I just see my screen blink? This can't be a 5, so it has to be 4, 5, 1. I actually kind of don't like playing in easy mode because it is easy to get lost. This can't be a 5. This can't be a 5, so this has to be a 5. This means this has to be a 5. Nope, shit, didn't mean to do that. Well, that's smart that I did that. So if you mark a thing and unmark it, it still keeps track of whatever you had marked behind there. This has to be 6 or 4, so this has to be 6, so this has to be a 3. 2, 1. That means this has to be 2, 3 also. Which means I have fucked up somewhere. Yeah, there's a mistake somewhere. There are several mistakes. Oh, because this can be a 1 still. Oh. Yep, that would do it. So this has to be 5, 6 is the problem. So this has to be a 5. Yeah, there we go. Anyway, I should stop playing the game and actually try and build another version of this, but that can't be a 4. I've fucked up again. Oh my god. Oh, right, because it doesn't have to be 5, 6, it could be 4, 6. Yeah. Anyway, okay. In a posh voice says, I smell recursion. What? Do you smell what the rock is cooking? No. What's up with the half keyboard? You mean split keyboard? Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine, average engineer. 5G technician, hello. That tasteful gradient. Oh yes, do you like my gradient? I liked this color back in 2010. So that's why I made the buttons like that. Anyway, yeah, okay, board, and we need to get timer. And then mark equals document dot query selector mark. We need to load preferences to know what size the game is. We'll probably default to 4. The subtle off-white coloring. This here. I think this is actually just straight white. We could find out. We can find out. Bloop. And then copy, paint. Actually, I don't know if paint's gonna tell us whether it's off-white. That seems like pure white. Paint.net will tell us though. I think it's actually straight white, which it should. We'll do it later. This guy. Yep, it's just straight white. But it would be nice if it were off whitish, but yeah. Simon Chef says, I need a split keyboard. It saves you in back pain down the line by keeping your shoulders more backwards. I have terrible posture. Devil Kid, hello, hello. How you doing? Good to see you again. Gradients were modern back in 2010. I think it looks nice. I don't care if people don't like it. It's not for them, it's for me. Okay, anyway, it turns out we actually need to do the statistics stuff. Because we need to get preferences. Oh, preferences and statistics. Did I do those separately before, or did I do them together? Should I do them separately? They seem like 2 separate things. Settings. Yeah, we had settings. Hey, thank you for the resub at 8 months. It's good to see you again. I'm doing well. I'm doing very well. This dot preferences, shared preferences. What is that? Late in it. Oh god, late in it, so good. Shared preferences. Oh, Android shit. Okay, cool. Yeah, so all we care about. Okay, so we'll have preferences and statistics separately. Is this a rewrite? I thought you were writing a solver. I might be doing both. Simulshift, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Wolfer says, I want to go to the gym, but you're here shaking my head. Well, you should have gone earlier. That's what I did. Or you could watch me at the gym. Barbara says, where's Babby? Don't worry. Babby's still here. Babby's still here. We're just also looking at my Android implementation. Okay, so we actually need stats somehow. What language is that? This is JavaScript or TypeScript. This is Kotlin. This is Kotlin with some Java. Pay no attention to my oh god. This is some of the most embarrassing code that I've ever written. Look at how fucking. What have I done here? This is. I think it would be more embarrassing for me to show my dick on stream than this. This is some of the most sad code that I have ever written. Look at this. I have written a class for what should really just be an array. Oh, sorry, I guess an array list. There is a 1 square cage, a 1 square cage factory, a 3 squared bent cage, which has 4 different orientations, and a 3 squared. Wait, where's the 3 squared factory? Oh god. Sorry, there's no 3 squared factory. There's a 3 squared down left factory, a 3 squared down right factory, a 3 square horizontal factory, a 3 square line cage, a 3 square up left factory. This shit's fucking embarrassing. But anyway, it happened. I was there. It exists. And we're not gonna do it this way this time. You write Java in IntelliJ? This Java was written in 2012. Before I knew better. All of this could be literally replaced with a fucking variable length list. But I don't think I knew about. Well, surely I did, because I'm sure there's array lists in here somewhere. Like here. Oh no, it's fixed size, because we know the fixed size. Yeah. Ah yes, make constants for everything. No string literals allowed. String literals are banned. Yeah, I didn't know what I was doing then. But I guess it goes to show, like, you learn shit over time and you get better at what you're doing. Does TypeScript use camel snake? Camel case or snake case? TypeScript camel case versus snake case. What do they use? Ukrais, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. What do people use for TypeScript? Goxy Liha says camel. Simulshift uses camel case. I guess we'll use camel case then. Facepalm every time I say my old code. I guess load times didn't matter to me back then. I mean, I feel like my old code was more performant than some of the modern. Well, maybe not this Java shit, but okay. Get preferences from. Well, we don't need to call it get. We can just call it preferences. From preferences. Okay, source preferences dot TypeScript. Export function export. How does local storage work again? Local storage JavaScript. And you know what? I think there were no tests for the original thing, so no tests here either. Oh shit, there were tests. Test get set. Why did I write tests for this? These are the most useless tests ever. Anyway, we're not gonna write tests because for that noise. Because I had to write my own custom rendering. We're gonna use CSS for that. Yay! We don't need any of this. We don't need any of this. Okay. Hey, what's up, Griffinborg? Hello, hello. Who says, hey, mommy? How you doing, Griffinborg? What about kebab case? Well, we'll be using some kebabs for CSS land. Okay, but yes. How do I do local storage again? What game is this? It's kenken. It's this game. Read only, blah, blah, blah. Set item, get item. I seem to remember you can only store strings. Is that correct? We can find out. Window dot local storage dot set item. Hello there, how are you? Object, yes, of course. That is what I wanted. So we are going to JSON error give you no. Parse undefined. What do you give me? Syntax error. What? That's not what I expected. Okay. So we can do try json.parse. Do I have to say window dot? I don't have to, but what am I doing? TypeScript's gonna tell me what to do. Ooh, how do I make a structy thing in data struct TypeScript? I don't want it in 10 minutes. I want it in seconds. I don't want an array. I don't want a tuple. I don't want a matrix. Type. That sounds like what I want. Why would they make an image of text? Band. Why would they post stuff with squiggles? Type preferences, which will have game size int. Although, is this the way? Number? What do they use? What's the right? How do I say int? Oh god, it's just lowercase number, isn't it? The worst. Is there an int? Hard boolean. Semicolon? I don't fucking know. Trailing commas? Sure. I think you use JSON parse or squiggly. No, we can't. We just showed that in the browser. JSON parse raises an error. Grimwork says, I dare you to play the intro. Jason bars can throw? Yes, yeah, we found that. Guttural response says interface. I think I want type. There's technically, but don't use it. Use types everywhere unless you want someone to be able to change your interface. Yeah, that's the whole reason I'm using TypeScript. This is going to get good. Let me go grab my popcorn. Yeah, it's getting a little annoying. We got some backseating going on without me asking for questions. I don't know what the syntax is for this. I don't think it's this. I think it's colon. Yeah, that seems to be better. Game size preferences dot game size or for hard preferences dot o. It's a boolean, so we can't use the or thing. The song loops. Next. Oh, you know what we can do? Well, we still probably want to do this. Oh, actually we're defaulting to false. If we default to false, and it's false, it's still false. So actually we don't need to do this shit. No linters available, right, because we didn't set up pre-commit. This is probably not right. Unexpected, yeah, I can't spell. Grimbook says, don't use code, just meditate until the application appears. Yeah. No files to check. Alright. Always run true. Type preferences. Oh god. Oh fuck. Preference is declared, but its value is never read. This is more annoying than I want. Local storage can return no. Purpose is declared, but its value is never read. Did you mean query selector? I did. Hooray! Undefined has to be a string? Yeah, typeof is weird. Is your tsconfig set to strict? Yep. That's what I want. That's what I want. All right. Hooray! Oh my god. What the fuck? Why can't I just see the value? What? Did it just compile out everything? There we go, prefs. This is what I wanted. Why am I looking at prototype? Game size mode 4, hard mode false. Cool. Number. Okay, so if we do ref should now say 6, and if we remove this, fine. Oops. You know what I should do? I'm gonna make it run the build first. That way it'll still produce the code even if the type checking doesn't pass. Okay, cool. We have managed to set preferences. Hooray! Greenberg says, I did a couple of easy 303s. Feels similar to Sudoku in that you assemble a set of possible solutions and eventually solve by elimination. Yes. I didn't even know you could use 3x3s. I feel like 3x3s are always trivially solvable. 4x4s even feel too easy. Did I make an autosolver? I have not, but I might make an autosolver. I skimped out on making an autosolver by instead allowing my game to allow any of the possible solutions instead of having a specific one. It would have been better if I would have wrote a solver, but I did not think I was smart enough to write a solver, even though I wrote my own game generator. But might write a solver after getting at least the game working. Okay, so we have preferences working-ish. What's next? The menu needs a way to change the preferences. Yeah, good bot, right? Disaballed. Got your question answered. Did I have to do the menu shit? But I also kind of don't want to do that yet. But we also need to set up the components so I can start styling them. That's the hard part. Yeah, that's the hard part. Well, how do I what do I want to do? I think I want to try and make the numbers. What does this do when it just starts up? It is just blank. Very cool. Mr. Six, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Oh, what I missed? Pagan. Pax Pagan, thank you for the follow as well. Shit. Well, we know the board size, so we can actually generate that immediately. Like, we can have this as the startup. How does menu work? What is the new... There's like modals in JavaScript, or modal in HTML now. What does it do? Modal MDN. I swear there's a thing, right? In a state in which it excludes all interaction with elements outside it. Oh. Oh. Hmm. Okay, so there's several menus here. There's the preferences menu. There's the statistics menu. Oh, don't want to click that. There is this thing, which I don't know how it's gonna work. Export, import, and about. Okay. Diagonal HTML, yeah. I think I can make the menu, this menu, be a dialogue also. Probably. Let's back to our HTML. Oh, probably want CSS also. Hello there. We'll just do the heathen shit. Okay, so div class equals dialog. Oh. Oh, fuck it, we're doing divs. Bring in vanilla? Yep. I don't want to fuck around with the framework. Pause, preferences, stats, export, and about. It's impressive. It's really not. It's not that hard. About. What was in the about? About. Created by utility. BR. No. Yeah. Sure. Fuck it. Sue me. Alright, let's try and get the menu showing. So what's in our menu? Got new game, check, resume. This should not be a div, it should be an A. But they will have to be display block. Or be a list item, probably. List items with links, I don't care. New game. Check. Pause. Stats first, just preferences. First preferences. First preferences. Means this should be in the other order. Lampo Keys, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Preferences, statistics. We've got oh, these aren't hrefs. These should be classes. Which means they should be. Is this how do you make no op links? Or is it supposed to be Octothorpe? I feel like it's supposed to be this. References, statistics. I don't know how we're gonna do import and export, but we'll just import statistics. JavaScript void URL. I feel like JavaScript semicolon also works. No JavaScript links void 0. Octothorpe JavaScript colon semicolon. See what somebody says. What does void 0 mean? You can just use JavaScript colon. Void 0 was intended for early versions of browsers where JavaScript URI handling was different, but now I couldn't even find a version where shorthand wouldn't work. At least IE7 handles this correctly. Haplo Eco! Thank you for the resub at 13 months. It's good to see you again. It's been a bit. Hope you're doing well. href equals empty string also works. I thought that reloaded the page. I think that reloads the page. In addition to the technical answer, JavaScript colon void means the author is doing it wrong. No. No. No, you're just advertising your book and you're wrong. Anyway. 737Pilot123, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. IE7, as you know, is the gold standard of knowing if something works or not. Right? We have too many tabs, so we're gonna kill them all. Goodbye, tabs. Really, we don't need you. Okay, so let's start by making the hamburger thing make the dialog menu appear. And then we can make the yeah, like what does this do? You can go to about and then you can click out and go back to here. Okay. This streamer killed his tabs live on stream, not the tabs. Yeah. Lots of correct answers on Stack Overflow per normal. Yeah. IE7 could do it and you can't. You probably fucked up. That's probably true, Purity Lake. Okay, so why am I reaching for types? I feel like types might actually be the right thing here. Well, you can just do it all with functions. Import menu from menu. Yeah, I love me functions that take no values, take no arguments, and return no values. But it's really just setting up event handlers, so it's fine. Bad bot? What do you mean bad bot? Bot did exactly what it was supposed to do. Oh, it's because Pretty Like spelled it wrong. If you spell with like what are you doing or what are you working on, then it would have worked. Doesn't understand this what you're working on. Actually, so this does need to understand game state because this needs to be able to pause stuff. Right. Narukan Niku. Niku is meat. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. It requires proper grammar, yeah. Adika, welcome, welcome. How you doing? Yeah, so the problem is a lot of these involve managing game state. So we actually need to know, well, we could just make game state global. Probably not. We're gonna need something, but for now we can do this. We'll figure out what we need to pass along to pause the game later. So export function menu element is element? I don't know. HTML element? Something like that? L dots. Is it add event listener? Add event listener. Listener. Yeah, add event listener, click. Oh, but you also have, then we have dialog. Not actually nano, but yep, essentially. Oh, that's not what I want. What did I call it? I think I called it not that. Open menu, dot menu. Really, this will not work. And I spelled document wrong. Okay, how do I make TypeScript an error if it is non-null? How do I make this an assertion? Argument is not assignable to parameter of HTML element. Is there like a bang somewhere? State could be managed using React state. I'm not using React. Yeah. I need some advice once you're taking a person who has zero coding skills but has an idea of an app software wants to create it. Learn to code or hire a freelancer. Griffinborg. I mean, probably the real advice is that you probably don't actually have an app idea that's something that's feasible if you don't have any technical knowledge to know whether something is actually doable. and that you might want to learn some amount of stuff to know whether something, whether you're being bullshitted or not, before you just try and hire somebody to build something that might be a laughable idea. Like the number of people that have come up to me and be like, "Hey, I have this great app idea. I want you to build Facebook but for dogs," and I'm like, just fucking use Facebook. Or like, you don't actually want this. You don't have a product. No one's going to buy this. You're gonna, one, I'm too expensive, and two, like, you're building something that nobody actually wants and isn't really feasible. And like, you know, you think it's simple to build a social media app that does what you want, but it's really not. But I have an app idea. It's like Uber for pizza. Yeah. Like I think you know, it will be useful to you to learn enough to figure out whether something is actually a feasible idea or something. I love when people think you will build their app idea for free. Yeah. Or they're like, "Oh yeah, no, I'll give you a percentage of the profits, bro." And it's like, no, your shit will never make any money, and you should not expect somebody to build shit for exposure and thoughts and prayers. Okay, someone who's typescripted before, especially if it's a family relative. Yeah, fuck that. Yeah. I have an app idea. Let's bring them up for actual software products. Yeah. Morbius fan says, or they think coming up with the idea is the hard part. Yeah, I'm an ideas guy. I saw this all the time from people from the business school at Michigan. It was absurd. The number of people that thought they were the next fucking Steve Jobs and they could just idea their way to profitability. Some of them were never told no when they definitely should have been. Okay, somebody who typescripts. What am I supposed to do here? Is there like a fucking bang I can put on the end here? Does that make this happy? No. Oh, I was right. Was I right? Dark Polearm told me the same thing. Must be right. Alright, sick. I'm an ideas guy, but my ideas are rancid, yeah. So yeah, I know a little bit of TypeScript. I'm not completely going in blind here. Okay, why did these not display none? Did I fuck up my CSS? This song's looping. Next. I'm dumb. I know how to do this. I know what I'm doing. Display none. Okay. Hooray! Event handlers hooked up. Okay, so gonna go do some very legal and very cool things. Have a nice rest of the stream. Sounds good, Gryffindor. Have a good one. Okay, so now I need to display dialogue. How do we do that? We had that open. MDN dialogue modal. The dialogue element. Oh, I should be using the dialogue element. I'm pretty sure I used divs like a dummy. Oh, so we can just do dialogue display none. And then get rid of this. And then dialogue. Nice. Elements invoked by show modal will have area modal equals true. Nice. I don't even have to do the special things. Oh. Do I not even need to do this either? Oh. Yo, let's go. No CSS. Oh, that's sick. Don't tell me how to run my stream. Get the fuck out of here. How do we show these? Show modal. So HTML dialog element is what this has to be. The problem is, I don't know. Am I using Tailwind? No. I don't really want to use any frameworks. Pretty sure that TypeScript should complain now. And it obviously does. Wolfred, hello, how you doing? Wait, does the bang just say this is definitely the right element type now? Is there like a reveal type for TypeScript? Why did it let me do this? I feel like it should not have let me do this, because this is HTML element, and the thing asks for HTML dialog element. Well, you can't see it because it's off screen, but trust. So I feel like it should have been mad. But did not mad for some reason. It's a child of, yeah, it's a subclass. So this is HTML element. So HTML, like, it's not substitutable. You can do this dumb / caret question mark. What? Like this? Does not appear to work. Problem is I kind of need to know it inline. Like, I expect this to say, cannot assign HTML element to never. But why? Type null is not assignable to type never. That also seems not right either. Curly brace is not assignable to never, but brace selector returns element by default. They probably extend element, but it shouldn't. It shouldn't allow that to happen. That's like saying you accept animal, like a thing that returns animal, and your thing says, I need dog. And it's just like, yeah, no, dog is definitely cool. When actually, or animal is cool. Oh shit, did we just get a shiny on stream? I think this is the first time we've got a shiny on stream. Hang on. Oh, that's the wrong screen. Where's the right screen? This one? Yeah, there we go. Did we just get a shiny Pokemon? The script went off. Hooray! You get a shiny Pokemon? Pretty sure inheritance isn't broken in TypeScript. Yeah. Is the bang what's doing it here? Oh god, that's loud. Sorry. Oh yeah, it's shiny. Look at that. Give me a sec. We're gonna catch a shiny Pokemon. It's weird because I've done this for months on stream, and I think it's the first time we've ever encountered a shiny Pokemon here. Use the TypeScript playground to reveal types. Oh. Yeah, so I don't. It's probably something weird. Oh. Oh, I should probably check what Bang is like typing cast to non-null. So if I bet if I do this. Oh, you can't see it, but Oh, we can see the little screen down there. I bet if I do this, it'll tell me what's wrong. Element is not assignable to never. So then what happens if I pass X in here? Argument of type element is not assignable to parameter type HTML dialog element. Okay, so the bang is doing more than just nullability. And 121 more. Yeah. Which makes sense. I guess this is fine. It's just I'm learning that the bang does more than it says it does on the tin. Which is fine. Okay, we've learned a thing. We've learned the bang does more than bang does. Query selector returns element by default, but also infers the type from the left-hand side of the expression. You can use the generic. Oh. So if we do like... If we do this, it should error because it can return null. And then if we put a bang here... Oh, okay. Thank you, Slayer. Thank you. There we go. That makes sense. So it's like squishy generic return values. That's what's happening here. What's the sound? Oh, my Switch is playing sound. Yeah. Cuz I caught a shiny Pokemon. Let me save, and I gotta set up the next one. And I gotta update my spreadsheet. Spreadsheet time! Hooray! We caught Malamar. Oops. What did I just do? I had fucked that up. I wanted to do this though. Malamar. Oh, we eliminated it from this list too. Malamar in... Oh, we can't see it because it's off screen. Haha. Malamar in sword. And caught this here. Who's next? Any that are rain? Overcast. B Neon says, "Hi man, how is it possible you don't use, but I use Nano?" What? What a shitty question. What? Why do you wear shirt and not coat? I don't know what to tell you. Bang just tell TypeScript this value exists. Trust me, bro. Cool. Okay, so I am going to set the weather to normal. To do, wait, what Pokemon was I gonna do? Maybe I should do this one. Dusty Bowl normal weather. Alright, save. Normal weather is May 1st. Don't mind me just playing Pokemon for a second. January, February, March, April, May. 5-1. I know the current month is May, and I still don't know what date it is, so that's just the way things go. Map. Got a 403 from PyPI saying new project registration is temporarily disabled. Well, there must be a security thing then. I think Dusty Bowl is this one here. Yeah. I'm gonna play this on the bigger. And we're gonna be setting up a little bit of manipulation to make this work. I guess I haven't shown this script setup on stream, have I? Eric Ellick, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. And Clerpy, sorry I missed your follow notification. Welcome as well. Hopefully you are doing well. Oh. Making our way over here. Don't spam malicious packages. I like how their the response to preventing malicious packages is just shut the whole fucking thing down. Good old PyPI mitigation. I mean, to be fair, there's not enough people working on it. Okay, so that's the Pokemon that I want. Gotta figure out where it spawns. Looks like it spawns sort of in between these two trees. But by that tree. Okay, that should be good enough. Something small, but I really like how fast your chat updates on screen. Yeah, it's basically how disabled you are. You passed. You did pass, Eric. But yeah, the chat should be basically instant because it goes to Twitch directly. It doesn't go through like Streamlabs or any of those other ones. Okay, so we gotta go over here and do a date little skipperoosie. Oh yeah, no, I ran from the Pokemon intentionally. It's fine. This is just to set up the script. So I gotta go. And nope, this. And decrease the date by 1. Annoying one because it's on a month boundary. I gained 200 W. It's watts. It is actually the scientific the SI unit, but it's like it's in-game electricity for some fucking reason. I don't know. They always come up with like a new way to do dumb things, and for some reason they chose watts. Is the Twitch chat based on IRC? It's a similar protocol, but it's not actually IRC. But you can use most IRC parsers to handle it. So the answer is no, but yes. Then we gotta save in exactly the same spot. I want to say it was like right here-ish. And then I should be able to reset the game and automatically encounter it. If I did this correctly. Well, let's see, did I do the setup properly? MRC used to be my jam. I used Pigeon for the longest time. I still use Pigeon occasionally. Do I use OBS? Yes. Yes, I do use OBS. But the chat overlay I actually wrote myself. You go to the second GitHub. There is I didn't see whether that was automatic or not. Did it encounter me instantly or not? Yeah, so I have this like data URL Twitch overlays thing where basically you can fill this out. Oh, it might be filled in Chrome. And with the data URL, did it connect properly? No. Okay, so I don't have proper creds here, but assuming I had proper creds, you could copy this data URL and use that directly. So I don't have to host any server or anything. It's truly a serverless. It is overlays that are done entirely in a data URL. Okay, I didn't see whether it did the auto encounter, so I'm gonna check this again. But yes, grim indeed with the pigeons. It did immediately encounter? Okay, well I'm just gonna double check it because I'm already here. But I trust the sword. Hot network questions. Are FBI agents eligible to be whistleblowers? That is a very strange way to phrase that. I did programming Python, been working on one of my first programs for almost a year. Glad to find a programming stream. Yeah, there's actually quite a few of us. Um, but welcome, welcome. Fucking USB ports, they never go in the first time. Okay, that should, oh, I gotta click. That should auto connect. Let me do anything. And press A one more time. Okay, cool. And then we will press B. And then go into here again. And it should start auto resetting those. Sweet. Okay, cool. Alright, what was I doing? We were showing the dialogue. Menu. Oh, we already have the code here. Okay, cool. So in theory, it should just work. So click this. Hooray! We have Hooray! It does things. Wow. Okay. You can't leave the menu. Oh, you can press escape though. Does this have like a pseudo element here? This song loops too. How did dialogue work? I don't know. I don't know how it works. But in theory, I want to make clicking outside of it also close it. I thought it would do it automatically. Form elements can close a dialog if they have attribute method equals dialog, or if the button used to submit. Oh, wow. Along with a colon backdrop pseudo element. Interaction outside the dialog is blocked, and the content outside it is rendered inert. Oh, that's cool. Okay, so we can... How do we target the pseudo element? Or can we not? HTML dialog element, click event on what was it called? Backdrop on backdrop element. Oh. Interesting. Yeah, these people are all doing the same thing. Interesting. With the CSS selector, I don't... You can do that. I don't think that that's a thing. Colon backdrop. You can target it with CSS, but I don't think you can target it with a click event. At least all these things seem to indicate that that's not a thing. But I need to use the restroom. I will do that real quick. I will be right back, and I'll see you in a sec. Oh, I need to... Oh, my water's empty too. Okay, I'll fill my water too. See you in a sec. Oh, I'm back for a little bit. Banana Grace says one of the stacker with comments says you can use : backdrop in the event lister. I didn't see any of the comments here that say you can do that, but that's fine. Why do you want to target the rationale behind dialogue is that you don't need to deal with JS events? Because you should, clicking outside of the dialogue should close it. But it doesn't. Only escape does, which is annoying. It doesn't seem to support closing the dialogue if you click outside of it, which is quite useful to have. And something a lot of self-made dialogue elements do. Does it not do that? Is it not possible? That's really annoying. Extra Cheese says, bang book. I have not written a book. Just a Pearl Hacker, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. So, I know I told you guys that I would be back and that we would continue working on this. But I forgot that I have a thing at 4, and I didn't realize that I started stream so late. So, I actually need to leave. But we will continue working on this on Monday. So, window.add-event listener. I don't know that that works, because it seemed like it was not incremental. Just like my father. Yes, I'm gonna go out and buy some milk now, and I promise I'll be back later. I actually will be, but the next stream should be Monday. Jay Phils! Yeah, we're doing TypeScript today. Thank you for the resub at 32 months. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. And sorry to say hello and goodbye, but we're gonna wrap up. We're gonna go. We're gonna send you off to the realm that is some other streamer, while I go and cook food with a friend. Do good, sir. How are things? Things are going great. Do I recommend any books? I don't know how to read, so I don't have any recommendations there. Sorry. But anyway, my name is Anthony. I upload educational content to my YouTube channel. I'm trying to do 1 video a week. I used to do 3, but now we're at 1. So that I don't burn out on making videos. I also upload my stream VODs to my second channel, which is anthonywritescode-vods. So if you missed any part of the stream, you can catch them there. They no longer show up on Twitch because of DMCA shenanigans, so look there instead. I normally stream Monday evenings and Saturday at noon. I announce my streams in 2 places. One of those is twitter.com/codewithanthony, which I would love to find a way to not have to open Twitter anymore, but that's the way things go. So I announce them on Twitter. I also announce them on Discord. Discord is the place that I would recommend to hang out and check on for that. If you also have programming questions, Discord is a cool place there too. There's also a bunch of social channels as well, so you can stop by and hang out and yeah, stuff like that. But anyway, that's gonna wrap us up for today. Let's go find someone to raid.